Welcome to 3800 Plowden Road, apartment A5. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 2-story apartment in the Rosewood area of Columbia near Owens Field, convenient to USC, I-77 and Fort Jackson as well, and just a quick commute to downtown Columbia. So we're right out front now. You have parking in front of the building. There's open parking pretty much anywhere throughout the complex as well. You have a covered front entry here. And as we step inside, just a light for you so you can see going to the second level there, but we're inside here at the kitchen. So you can see an open style kitchen, electric stove and refrigerator. There's a window there in the corner as well. And then a dining area here open to the living room. Laundry closet here off the kitchen with full-size washer and dryer connections. And then you can see the living room here is carpeted. You have a sliding glass door out to covered patio back here. And then there is a storage room that's lockable as well. So now we'll take a look at the second level. So up the stairs, you have 2 bedrooms off the stairs that share a full bathroom. One's at the back. Here you have 2 closets in this room, window looking out to the back of the property. Then you have a linen closet in the hallway. Hall bathroom has vinyl plank or laminate hardwood flooring. You have a single sink and a shower and tub there. And then last but not least, our second bedroom. This one faces the front of the building, and the closet is here in the corner, sort of a smaller walk-in. So that completes our tour of this home at 3800 Plowden Road, apartment A5. You can find out more information by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.